Gautam.
Harita.
And what are we doing?
Skydiving.
Skydiving. All right. Whose idea was this? It was your idea. Anything we're celebrating? Any reason why we're skydiving? Just to do it?
Just to do it.
Very cool. Were you ready to go up really high, come down really, really fast, and have fun?
Yes.
All right, let's do
All
it.
excited.
Anything you want to say to anybody that might watch this video?
My impression is with them. I was like, they have done this. Seeing them, I thought like I should do this
She wants to
adventure.
experience it.
Okay, way cool. Well, let's go have some fun, guys. What do you say?
Yeah.
High five! High five! High five! Yoo-hoo! All right, right next to the plane. Woo! Oh yeah! We found an airplane! You ready to go skydiving?
Yes!
Let's go have some fun, alright? Alright, we're gonna go up really high, come down really fast. Sound good? Let's do it. You ready to go skydiving?
I'm so excited.
Let's get this plane up in the air, alright? Let's have some fun! It was fantastic. Was it everything you thought it would be?
I have never imagined it that way, but yeah, it's really so good.
I did too. What was
Great.
You did so good up there. You're a rock star. What was your favorite part?
While landing and when we were flying like a bird.
Flying like a bird.
Yeah, that was the best part.
Do you think everybody should try it?
Of course, everybody should try.
Let's go skydiving! Thank you so much for coming out.
Thank you.
Skydive Colorado Springs!
Yeah.
Yeah!